So we are walking through Aztalan State Park.
We are indeed with you on this great hill that you are on, this great mound, this old relic, we like to say, these ancient stopping grounds where many have come before you and have prospered and have found a home here and have found a good hunt here and have found that this area is plentiful, is fertile, is ripe with goodness. This is a place where many have come before you, and many will come after you. We see that now that you are here, you are settling into the energy of the space, of the place. You are becoming one with what is upon you, with what you are upon. This is no laughing matter, we would say. No chuckles are welcome here, we would say. And of course, in that we are joking. We are trying to lighten you up. We know that it has taken some stressful moments in order to get here at this time. But now you are here. And we are thankful for these moments with you and Lucas, your children, upon this great mound that you are on. We see many things from your vantage point where you are right here, because the sky is open to us right here. We can see a great deal more than we could see from your home vantage point, which is mostly wooded. There are areas where you can go and see the sunset. But here, upon this mound, in all four directions, you can see the sky. You look up and you can see the sky, the stars, and all that is within the sky. We see this time where you are in now to be a chaotic time, though we wanted to bring you here and to bring your audience here so they could see how it is possible to find moments of calm and of peace, even in the chaos. It is important to unplug from the television set, from your laptops, from your handheld devices of all sorts. It's important to unplug and find yourself in places like these, where many have ventured, many have lived before you, and now it's just a few who come to watch the sunset. Here where you can find peace, you can forget everything that once has bothered you at your home, when you are more plugged into what's going on around you, in your media, things that are happening in your systems that you have made, humanity has made. We would say these are control systems. When you are outside of these control systems, here you are in nature, and you are free. You are free. There is nothing that is telling you how to think or how to be, or what to wear or how to smell. Nothing is telling you who to vote for, who not to vote for. Nothing is telling you who just got shot. Nothing is telling you what country is at war, what country is coming into war. Nothing is telling you anything about anyone else. You are here, and it is you, the land, and the sky, and the stars, and the planets. And things can get a little bit more peaceful. Things can become more clearer to you. So we ask all of you that are listening to this video to find a moment in this week where you can find some nature, you can find some stillness, you can unplug. The moments before you get to unplug, the moments when you're trying to figure out how to finish what you're doing so you can get to that moment where you are unplugged, can be a bit stressful. They were for Lori Deer and her family to get here. However, now that she is here, now that they all are here, it has been worth it, that stress, to get here. So we would say this week, find some moments where you can be out. Find some ways to change your schedule or maneuver your schedule so you can be in nature at least once. We would say at least once a day. For those of you that are very blessed, many times a day. Unplug from the false matrix. Come into the natural matrix that we have made for you. We have made for you. We have made a place and are continuing to make a place for you to be comfortable here. We know it is a chaotic time, but we have given you an out of the chaos. The out is nature. The out is meditation. The out is all kinds of meditative practices. That is the out where you can find yourself within yourself, where you can let go of that which is outside of you and move into the organic matrix that is inside of you, that flourishes. And that is where you will find us. Yes, you may from time to time look into the sky, and some of you may indeed see some of our light ships. That is true. However, where you will find us most often and consistently is when you go within. When you go within, there we are. You can reach out and just say hello. We are there. And just listen, and you may be surprised at what you may hear. We continue to help you all develop places within your heart where your soul can develop where your soul can continue to find rest as well as grow and flourish. This place that is within your human body, within the technology of your human body, that we so often on these side of things are actively healing and changing in ways to equip you to better handle these moments. There is some faith needed, indeed, for these times that can be challenging, these times that can put you outside of yourself before you even know it. We know many of you would like to not participate in all the divisive politics. We know that many of you try to actively seek that place where you are independent, is a way maybe we could say this, of either side, so that you can find a middle way. Though we know that many times a day you will find yourself on one or the other side, and it does get divisive. And we say, that's okay, that's expected. When you find yourself on one or another side of the divide, when you feel a acknowledgement or a understanding or all of a sudden a sight, a clear sight that you have all of a sudden found one side, acknowledge it and just move back into the center. It's normal. You are in a false matrix some of the time, every day. Not all of the time, some of the time. And that is simply because you are inhabitants of Mother Earth at this time. You are children of an organic matrix, but you are living within a false matrix. Now, this false matrix is not something where you are a prisoner within. You are not. There are many, many, many times a day where you are not within the false matrix, and you leave it. Whenever you can find the peace within your heart, whenever you can find the peace where your soul can rest, where your mind can think, wherever you can find that and whenever, you are out of the false matrix. Now, of course, you don't need nature to find yourself outside of the false matrix. There's other ways to do it. All of them would include going within yourself. But there is something sweet. We would say the nectar is sweet within Mother Nature. There you will find a place we have on this side of things, along with Mother Earth, made for you to find nourishment, to find a place where you can rest, to find a place where you can be nourished, where you can suckle, where you can find what you need, where you can bury yourself under the covers and find what you need. Nature is a place that is made for you to unplug. It is made for you. It is the place that humans are made to be within the natural world, within the natural matrix. Now, we would say that we are very proud of you all for all that you are doing, for this time is not easy. This time can be challenging on many fronts and in many levels. But we also want to say that you also have the ability to be here in the natural world, to find peace, to find places within your heart, within your body, within the natural world that you feel you were meant to be. We have not left you alone in this false matrix. We have not left you alone to watch you squirm and watch you hopelessly find a way out. We have not left you in a place where you will be deserted, where you will not find a way out, where you will die. We have always made for you a place that is natural, a place where you can find rest, a place where you can unplug, a place where you can be that which you are. You can become more of who you are when you are in nature. So in conclusion, we would like to say that we love you. We want you to be nourished. We want you to be well. We want you to continue to grow. Even though these times are chaotic, it does not mean you cannot grow. You can grow. You can find peace. You can find that which you would like to find. We leave you with these final words, which are simple. Simply go to nature this week. Find some time to be there as much as you can. Find some time to unplug. And we will be there with you. You are greatly loved. We are the Arcturians, the Pleiadians, Council of Nine, and the Council of Light. Coming through Xanadu, and also Laura Dear. Adieu and adieu.